Warm welcome to the course content Why Composition is Important in Photography. Composition delivers a realistic story. A picture certainly paints thousands of words. A mere simple shoot can already tell a story, but it will even look more compelling if you compose the photo, which can be more dramatic and more persuading. Composition creates more appealing photo. A photographer will surely aim for appealing photo, for everyone will be able to appreciate it only if it looks very appealing. Also, a picture without appeal will go unnoticed, since photographers always want his images to be noticed and given appreciation. The proper application of photographic composition technique should be observed. With composition, a photo looks more professional. Not all photographers are professional, but all photographers have their own photographic composition techniques. Try using those techniques so that you can get a great image that seems like an output of a professional. Okay. From that, you will surely be more encouraged to improve your photography skills and experiment on various techniques with the photographic composition. Composition creates unique photos. Every work of art strives to be unique. Your photos can be unique if you apply certain photographic composition technique on your own way. Do not be afraid to experiment different shots and choose which one look a lot better. This way, even if you have the same subject with other photographers, each one will be unique because of the composition. Composition adds more life to images. Composition adds more life to images. Bringing an image to life, especially if your subjects or objects, become possible with the use of proper composition. Make sure that you will compose it rightly and your output will like so alive and real. Photos like this get more attention and applauses.